Hello everyone! Welcome back to Error Genie, your go-to channel for easy, step-by-step troubleshooting guides. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds not launching won't launch, not starting not opening on PC. Step 1. Restart your computer. Start by restarting your computer. This often resolves minor glitches. Once your system restarts, try launching the game again. Step 2. Delete crash report files. If that didn't work, locate the crash report files in the game's installation folder. Go to the game installation folder, right-click on the game, select Manage, then Browse Local Files. Find and select the files named crashreport.exe and crashreport.dll. Make a backup. Copy these files and paste them to your desktop as a backup. Delete these files from the installation folder. Launch the game. If issues persist, restore the files from your backup. Step 3. Enable debug mode in NVIDIA Control Panel. Right-click on your desktop, select NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on Help at the top, then enable debug mode. Launch your game and check for improvements. Step 4. Allow game files through antivirus. If you have antivirus software, e.g. Avast, Norton, or Bitdefender, add the games.exe file to the exceptions list. For Windows security, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down, click Manage Ransomware Protection, then Allow an app through controlled folder access. Add your games.exe file from the installation folder. Step 5. Run game as administrator. Right-click the games.exe file, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator, then apply the settings. Step 6. Update graphics drivers. For NVIDIA users, go to the NVIDIA website and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. For AMD users, uninstall current drivers, restart your PC, then download and install the latest driver from the AMD website. Step 7. Run game on dedicated graphics card. In Windows Search, type Graphics Settings and open it. Add your games.exe file, select it, and set it to High Performance. Step 8. Verify game files. Steam. Open Steam, right-click on the game, select Properties, then go to the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files to ensure no corrupted files are causing the issue. Step 9. Try DirectX settings. Right-click on the game in Steam, go to Properties, and in the Launch options, type -DX11 or -DX12. Test the game each time you add a DirectX version. Step 10. Update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, then Check for Updates. Step 11. Install Visual C++ redistributable files. Check the description for a link to the Visual C++ files. Download both x86 and x64 versions, install them, and restart your PC. Step 12. Disable extra hardware and overlays. Unplug any unnecessary external devices, extra monitors, controllers, etc. Disable overlays from Steam, Discord, or GeForce Experience, which can interfere with games. Step 13. Increase virtual memory search for advanced system settings in Windows. Go to the Performance settings, then to the Advanced tab. Increase virtual memory based on your RAM size. Restart your computer afterward. Step 14. Reinstall the game. If none of these steps work, try reinstalling the game, preferably on a different drive. One of these steps should help you get your game running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe to Error Genie, and leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.